What up, beans? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you guys will know when I upload videos. I don't even have a schedule, so it's best that you guys hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am trying out a new product. It's new to me. It may not be new to others, but it's new to me. I'm trying out the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt collection. Yeah, basically this video is really to announce, which I believe I announced it once before, but it's actually official, guys. You see the shirt I got on, right? You see the shirt, Shea Moisture. I don't know if you can see the rest of it, but it says Shea Ambassador. Yeah, I am a Shea Ambassador, class of 2018. I am so excited, and I really can't wait to show you guys the product. It's been a while since I've had a Permrod set to come out looking like this, okay? It's been a long time. So I'm stop talking, and we just gonna, you know, go ahead and get in to the video. It's such a good feeling, a very good feeling, that I'll be back when a day is new, and you'll have things you want to talk about. I will too, because it's you I like. Mwah! Okay guys, so right here I am using the Moisture Hydrate shampoo, and you do not need a lot. And I say you don't need a lot because it's really lathery, if that makes any sense. So the more shampoo that you actually put on your hand, the more suds you're going to get. And unless you're a girl that likes a lot of suds, then by all means put as much as you want in your hair. But you really don't need that much. I just stepped out from rinsing the shampoo out. It's going to be a little minute before I come back and finish the rest of it, because I got a little guest in here with me and he's getting a little antsy and I think he's sleepy. So let me give you a small review right now as to how the shampoo feels. My hair feels moisturized right as of now. It did not strip my hair or anything like that, so that's a plus. That's a major plus, because this one shampoo that I just used like a week ago stripped my hair tremendously, and that was awful. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Blow kiss. And blow kiss. Can I kiss? So I'll be back with our guest. So after having a mini concert and rinsing the shampoo out and separating my hair, I'm about to use the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. Now, let me tell you, I like this conditioner, but then I don't like the conditioner. I'm a little reserved about it. And the reason I say that I like it, well, pretty much I love the fact that it's a very thick consistency. However, it seemed like it took forever for me to try and detangle my hair. Now, most conditioners that I have used are thick, but they are somewhat, you could say, a little slippery. The slippage is way better than this one, I believe. My comb kind of went through, but then I had to do a lot of work just to get that comb through, and I'm not trying to go through all that. That makes it a little longer. You feel me? I know you feel me. Now I let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then now I'm using the protein power treatment. Honestly, I'm kind of happy that I do have this protein power treatment, because I really don't use a lot of protein type products for my hair, and this was great. As you can tell, the slippage is awesome. You see how my comb just glided through my hair. Now the protein power treatment, you let it sit in your hair for at least, I believe it was like 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I rinsed it out, and then I went on to the leave-in conditioner. I love leave-ins personally. I live by it.
It's a staple. Some people don't like it, some people do. But hey, whatever floats your boat. You know what I'm saying? So I enjoy a nice leave-in.
Give a kiss. I can't say enough about this product. It actually is a lifesaver as compared to the last product that I just used about a week and a half ago. I was not happy with it. But it wasn't Shea Moisture. It wasn't Shea Moisture. It was a different product. And I just was not feeling it. But, yo, spring cleansing is real. I'm so happy that I was able to take advantage and be a part of this because my hair feels so good right now. Oh my gosh. Now, how long is this going to last? Probably a day. But, anyway, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Like I said in the beginning of the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload new videos. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And all of the products will be listed in the description box just in case you guys need to get more information on it. I'll put all the products that I use in the description box below. And yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember, in order for your beanstalk to grow, you must first plant the seed. Smooches.